Mandatory things required while traveling to Europe. Passport, the essential document for any international journey. Highlight its importance in a dramatic way. Zoom into the passport cover with a glowing effect. Tick mark, use the symbol to visually emphasize completed tasks in your video, like checklist ready for Europe. Flight ticket copy, pan over the flight details on the ticket, emphasizing excitement for the trip. Travel insurance, showcase this as peace of mind, a quick visual of insurance papers or an app screen. Snacks, diabetic, pressure. A shot of healthy snacks for travelers with specific health needs. Emphasize how thoughtful preparation is key. Euro Cash Forex card. Card display the various payment options, maybe with a catchy caption like ready for cash or card swipe. Sunglasses, capture stylish sunglasses in outdoor shots, symbolizing fun and protection. Mobile, charger, power bank, universal adapter, feature these as must-haves for connectivity and safety. Use a playful montage of stay powered up. Earbuds, show earbuds on the go, perfect for music or podcasts during the journey. Paste with brush, add a quick clip with a focus on hygiene essentials. Medicine with prescription, a responsible traveler's essentials. Highlight labeled medicine boxes and documents. Sunscreen, lip balm, moisturizing cream, show these as skincare heroes for the European weather. Jacket with hoodie, thermal wear, woolen gloves, waterproof. Woolen socks, feature these items with a cozy winter vibe or packing sequence. Walking shoes, used ones. Slippers, display these as your feet's best friends for Europe's cobblestone streets. Poncho. Umbrella, show these items as smart picks for unpredictable weather. Water bottle. Flask, shot of eco-friendly bottles or flasks, promoting hydration on the go. Toilet mug cup, highlight convenience items in a quirky and practical tone. Maybe show them in a must-have travel kit.